Right, so this is a video on my new bike. It's an electric one, full electric. I bought it on Amazon for about £300. So the speed itself goes up to 15 miles per hour. The range, I think it's about 20 as well, but it depends on weight, etc., and how you drive it. The wheel size is 12 inches and it's got rear disc brakes. So what I'm going to do is open it up and see what we've got. Right, so I've got out the box and this is how it looks like. It's pretty small, and the reason why I got it is I wanted something small and foldable so I can chuck it in the back of my boot. So that's what it looks like. It's pretty well packaged, pretty small, pretty nicely wrapped up. This is the whole complete build, and then there's a box here as well with charges and everything else. So what I'm going to do is open it up and see what we've got. Right, so in the box, if I can get it, if I can get the sedative off, let's see what we've got. So we've got the fenders for the rear and the fronts. I'm going to have to install these myself. Got the saddle, the seat. Got the pegs where you rest your foot, and you've got your charger in there. So I'll take these out in a bit and see what they look like really. Right, so in the box what we had was the manuals, the charging block. They've included, I think it's a European or American plug. You get the UK one as well. You get the pegs, get a Allen key, you get that rear wheel fender, and that's what the seat looks like. A bit cushiony, got a bit of spring in there as well, so hopefully I don't need to upgrade this. But yeah, let's get all of this stuff on the bike and let's see what that looks like. Right, so I'm going to start off with the pegs. Literally just goes in and screws in like that. If it goes in, I'm not sure if it's going in. Alright, yeah, it's going in slowly. Push that in. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. So for the rear fender, all you have to do is loosen that up, and then you just literally just connect that on like that. So what I'm going to do is take that screw off and insert the fender and then re-screw it back in. There you go. Right, for the seat, I'm going to pop this off. Right, for the seat, all you have to do is you've got this latch here, you undo it, and you might have to tighten this up a little bit depending on if it's loose. And then what you do is just put your seat in and put it at the desired height, and then put that latch back on. And if it's tight enough, it should hold your weight. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I might need to tighten this up a little bit in case it's loose, and depending on your weight as well. If you're obviously more heavier, then you're going to have to tighten this up a little bit more, but that's what that looks like. For the handlebars, what you need to do is to lift it up and put it in place. It's literally just lift it up like that, and then you've got this latch here, and that goes in, and that's it really. So the handlebars are also kind of coming folded in. What you need to do is just adjust it, got your latch here, and then you put that latch back on and it's on. So that's what the bike looks like. Right, what we'll do is have a look at the bike in a bit more detail. So let's go for a close-up. So here we've got a kickstand, and then you've got your brake disc. So let's push that through and see how that looks like. So there you go, that's working fine. You've got your rear mudguard, you've got light at the back. I'll turn that on later, see what that looks like. Your saddle with springs. It doesn't have any suspension on the frame, so hopefully that does help a little bit. You've got your pegs here, and then on the other side as well, little charging port here. Remember to re-close that one once you've charged up. You don't want any dirt in there. You've got your branding, Windgoo. You've got this kind of like hole in there, so if you wanted to carry it, it's only 15 kg, you can carry it around. Nice little design here. At the front, there's no brake discs or anything like that, just wheel. I forgot to mention the hub motor is right here, right at the back. There's no motor at the front. There's no discs or brakes at the front. So what you can do, there's holes already there, and the little to hold your wire, you can actually put your own brake disc on that at the front as well, once you get more power going. So you can do that. So front mudguard, light at the front. And then what we'll do is have a look at the handlebars. Okay, so let's have a look at the handlebars. So at the front you've got the on-off switch, it goes up and down. When you put it on, you get this display here, shows you 3 bars. I'm not sure if it displays anything else, but I'll try that later. Here you've got a horn, working fine. You've got your brakes here, you've got your throttle here. It's a twist. Oh, it's already trying to get away from me. And then you've got your light switch here, so let's turn that on. And that's what it looks like. And then let's have a look at the back. And that's what it looks like. And that's it really, of all the functionalities. So yeah. Right, so I just want to show you how you know if it's charging. Literally just plug it in and you get that red light. If you take it out, it goes green. So I'm guessing once it's all fully charged up, it's going to turn green, and that would be it. Okay, so just to summarize, this is called the Windgoo B3. It's got a 350 wattage motor. Its battery is 36 volts. The weight of the bike is 15 kg. The top speed is 25 kilometers per hour, or around 15 miles per hour. The range is around 15 to 25 kilometers, but it depends on weight and how you ride it, etc. The wheel sizes are 12 inches, and charging takes about 3 to 5 hours from 0 to full charge. So yeah, there you have it, guys. It's a quick unboxing and a quick look at the bike. In my next video, what I'm going to do is take it for a drive, take it for a ride, see what I get speed-wise, range, etc. If you want to follow my adventure, then yeah, please do subscribe, and you can see how I get on with the bike. I'm thinking about doing some upgrades and mods to get it faster, get a bit more range out of it, etc. So yeah, just hit the subscribe button if you want to follow my journey, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.